Ah, fish on. Good fish, good fish. There we go. Big fish. Oh, gosh. Today, we are taking our kayaks out of Pensacola Bay in search of some giants that like to roam around 3 Mile Bridge. This bridge stretches a little over 3 miles over Pensacola Bay and is a home to an abundance of fish that like to congregate along the pylons. So let's hurry up and get the kayak in the water and get after some of these giants. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am Jack. This is Yakwin Jack. Today we're in the kayak underneath this beautiful bridge on 3 Mile Bridge. It's one of my favorite spots to fish. One of my favorite spots to fish. Actually, this is probably one of the first spots I ever fished when I got into kayak fishing. Back when the old bridge was here, going after bull reds, man. The old bridge used to produce so many fish. The new bridge is a little so-so, a hit or miss because it's just so big and vast, so many more pylons. And the lighting on it at night is not that great. But with that being said, got an old fat sack right here, fat sack. Oh, blue crabs. We jump around these pylons, looking for some absolute brutes. So let's get after it. All right, guys, we're gonna start with this first blue crab right here. First thing I'm gonna do, if you see my other videos, you know how I do this. Ain't nothing really different. Cut the legs off, cut the points off. You can cut them in half if you want, but this time of the year, there is a lot, and I mean a lot of pinfish in the area, and they will eat your crab like it'll be just a shell within a matter of minutes. So I like to keep it whole, cut the points off so a little bit of the scent can get off like this. And I'm just using a regular good old Carolina rig right now. I do have birds of prey jigs too, but I'm gonna use both. Go through this knuckle here. Well, that wind's picking up now. Come out just like this, and this is the bait. Good old-fashioned blue crab. All right, I'm gonna go to the next pylon. We're gonna set up and we're gonna get to fishing. I'm glad the wind is blowing because it is an absolute scorcher. I came out here midday. I came out here a couple mornings ago. I actually had no luck. Then I came out here one morning with my good buddy Kerry. You've seen him in a lot of my videos. He actually never caught a big black drum. Ended up landing 3. Me personally, that trip, I got my butt handed to me, broke off 6 times, not landing 1 fish. It's the way it goes sometimes, or you can't catch them all. We all have our good days and bad days of fishing. But let's get after it. I'm excited. I'm gonna go catch some fishies. I'm gonna drop on this pylon right here and see. I hope we can start the day off good, start the day off right. Of a black drum swim under me. Hopefully he's going to my bait. It's scared to live in crab. He was literally right here. I seen his big head in shadow. Hopefully he's going to my bait. I know for a fact my other camera didn't pick it up, but he was absolutely huge. I was about to move spots, but now I'm not moving since I know there's one here. There we go. Broke one off. I'm not sure if I got snagged or something or what, but check my leader. We're good. Come on, buddy, come back. Ah, fish on. Good fish, good fish. Get away from the pylon. Go, 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 go. Ooh, He had me turned quick. Let's go, baby. He's right here. Almost at the leader already. Oh, big fish, guys. Oh, he's pulling. Let's go, baby. Let's see him. Oh, there we go. It's dumping again. I got him out in the middle, so I probably got him. I'm trying to see if you guys hear the drag, but oh yeah. Take that drag off. Come on, buddy. Oh, look, he's a big boy. He is a tank. Let's go. Grab my ego net real quick. Once he gets done fighting. Come here, buddy. Big boy. Oh, he broke the net. He broke the ego net. No. He broke the net. Dang. That sucks. It's my favorite net. He's about to get another one now. This net has been through many big fish, so it's bound to happen after a couple seasons, especially the way I fish. Let's go, baby. That's one. One down. Alright, here goes that circle hook right in the corner of the mouth. Got it out. Alright, let's get a big old, this is it, guys. Big old bridge donkey. This guy is absolutely beast. He's so big. I'm gonna get a nice release on him, man. Ooh, it feels good to get one. Things are absolutely tanks. So I'm gonna pedal. See if I can get him out. I'm gonna retie a leader. There he goes, straight down. Let's go. That's what I wanted right there, baby. Whoo, makes you so happy to get a hold of one. I went out here a couple days ago and got absolutely butt handed to me. My butt handed to me. Went out the other day, got skunked. Come in here for the third day and got a nice one so far. Let's get some more. RIP to my ego net. These are good nets, man. I had this net for a while. By the time it broke. It's okay. I'll buy another one. They're great nets. Let me retie this leader and then get back out there. Let's go, baby. We're on again, guys. There we go. Big fish. Oh, gosh, jump again. Nope, this way, this way, this way. Get out. You got to get him out of the structure quick as possible. That's a good fish, guys. Pull this one up. Oh, he's dumping. He's bigger. He's a big one. Oh, yeah. I hit the clicker. Oh, gosh, he's heavy. There he goes. Whew, he is dogging me. He's a big one for sure. Look at this pole bend, guys. Oh, oh, he's right underneath the kayak. He is dumping me. Nope. Get him up. Get him up. Oh, he's a big one. I got something. Oh my gosh, look at. Oh, oh, he's huge. He is huge, guys. He is gigantic. Massive fish. That's why I love targeting these things. They're so big. Oh. Oh. Come on. The net's broke, so I'm gonna have to grip him. Look at him. Oh, still pretty green. I'm gonna put him in reverse because I'm gonna get close to a pylon again. And once he sees that, he's gonna go like that. Going to it. Get out in the middle of this. Come out this way, buddy. Oh my gosh, look how big he is. I'm gonna have to wear him out. He is absolutely massive. Massive fish, guys. Massive. I don't know what I got attached to my line. I don't like it though. Put my pedals up. Come on. Come on, buddy. Oh. Nope, 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 nope. Oh, this is... Oh, he won't let me grab his gills. Or gill plates, gill plates. I know you guys think I'm grabbing by his gills. Definitely his gill plates. Oh my gosh. Alright, buddy, stop. You break a rod. This guy's an absolute tank. Let's go, baby. Come on, buddy. Let me get you released. Let me get some pictures of you. Sucker hook in the corner like it's supposed to be. These are some tsunami hooks. And here it is, guys. Let me get my camera down. Listen. Alright, this is the biggest one of the day so far. Probably 25, 30 pounds. Giant freaking black drum, guys. Massive. Fighting these beasts is so much fun. Look at that tail on that thing. Alright, let's get it back in the water as quick as we can and release him. I'm gonna paddle forward, get some waters in his gills. Use my Eagle grips. And there he goes. Down to deep. Good job, buddy. Get down there. Let's go, guys. Let's freaking go. I freaking love it. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna have to re-rig the whole rig now. It's shaped up pretty bad. You want to make sure your rig is in good working order. That's for sure. Beating them off with my hat. I swear I've killed like over 20 of them so far. These guys are relentless. They like that drum slime and it's horrible. Little boogers. I didn't have no bug spray either. I was knocking them like Barry Bonds. Alright, I'm gonna give this spot about 5 more minutes. I'm gonna move up my way back down because that's where I was getting most of my bites. The deeper I'm going, the less bites I'm getting. guys, that's it for today's video. Wind is starting to pick up and I am getting ate alive by these flies. So it was kind of a slow day. Ended up landing 2 drum. Not too disappointed in that. I was happy just to land 2 fish and get out of here and start fishing. But I'm gonna head back to the launch, load up this heavy kayak, go home and eat some dinner with the family. I appreciate all you guys watching. I love y'all. See you guys next time.